number 18, another vertical line test opportunity. So we're going to just highlight this bit here, and we're going to get our little bit of a notepad, and we're going to have our vertical line, and this time it's between supposed and A. And we'll have our B and our A. And when you've got lengthy clauses such as this with rather lengthy descriptors that do not affect what is in the blank, let's ignore them. I'm just going to have it be recently unearthed. I don't want to read Neronian, so we're going to highlight that in pink and just say tools. So these tools may provide evidence that interactions between Neanderthals and modern humans occurred 10,000 years earlier than was previously supposed. Period. Or at least we can stop to consider whether that's a complete idea. So recently unearthed tools may provide evidence that interactions between Neanderthals and modern humans occurred 10,000 years earlier than was previously supposed. That certainly stands as a complete idea. Then we go to a finding that, if true, would overturn current theories about H. sapiens migration during the Upper Paleolithic. We go, a finding that, if true, but what is the finding? I don't know. It's not about lacking the subject verb pair here. It's about lacking the context that makes this incomplete after our vertical line. Now, the other thing you can note is if we have, almost always when there's not a list involved, if you have both a semicolon and a period, they're both probably wrong. So that's another way you could kind of track this. The only catch to this is if we see a list that involves semicolons, but we can eliminate A and B. We cannot have no punctuation between a complete and an incomplete idea. We would select our correct answer of D. Again, you can read this back into the sentences, or the one rather lengthy sentence, for confirming context, but